What's up guys, it's Josh from Blackout Tinting and it's Wednesday, so it's time for What's in the Shop Wednesday, where we take you behind the scenes and show you what's going on here at Blackout. The first one that we're gonna start with is the GT500. This is the new 2020. This is the 760, I think it is, horsepower car. This particular one has the carbon fiber track pack, so that means the wheels are carbon fiber, we've got a big carbon fiber spoiler on the back, and this car has hand-painted stripes on it. It's a $10,000 option from Ford, so pretty cool car to have here. Jake just pulled in this Rubicon. This is here for a cat skin leather interior installation. So this customer decided to go with leather all the way around with diamond stitching and some red inserts. So that's gonna look really cool on that. He has plans to do a big lift and tires and cool things also. Over here we've got an Indian motorcycle. This had a ceramic coating from us last year. This was in for its yearly checkup. You can see still super glossy. It performed well. Looks like the day the bike was bought. This is cool. Cool new color from Mopar from Dodge. This is called Hellraisin, and this is a Challenger, I believe an RT, yeah, 392, and this was here for a CeramicPro gold package. And right behind John over there, we've got another awesome car, the Mercedes-Benz S65 V12 twin turbo. The interior is, of course, like every other S-Class, super luxurious, very quiet when you're in the car. This one's getting full front end protection. As you can see, the hood is being wrapped right now. The fenders and the bumper are getting wrapped as well. And we're putting a radar detection system. So the brand new K40 RL360 Platinum. That's front and rear installed protection in the bumpers, as well as laser jammers will be installed in this car. So he'll be protected from police threats. And Jimmy's just pulling this 4Runner in, also here for front end protection and a CeramicPro gold package, I'm pretty sure. In the tint bay, it's always busy. We've got Terrell and Brandon over here tinting a Silverado Trail Box. Got perfect weather today. It's 80 and sunny, so we like that in Latrobe. Patrick's just finishing up some final touches on a ZL1 Camaro. It was here for a cleanup. We did full front end protection as well as a ceramic coating on this car a few months back. The big orange Ram back there was here for a full detail package. Looks like it's ready to go home. Over here, we've got the start of a new fun project, so make sure you watch this video when it's released, but this is a Chevy Nova SS, and we're doing a full color change Avery color flow wrap. So if you remember from the Mustang we just wrapped recently, it's like a color flip kind of material. This one's gonna be a slightly different color than what we did on the Mustang and different than what's on Jimmy's Volkswagen as well. We've got a Roush Mustang. This car was in for paint protection film and ceramic coating, and the hood had some weird corrosion on it from the factory. It's an aluminum hood and it was sort of bubbling underneath. So I guess Ford or Roush ended up taking care of that, so we rewrapped the hood on that. We have a BMW M2 Competition. I love this color. It's a manual, so that gets me excited. And it got full front end protection, so the hood, the fenders, the mirrors, as well as the mirror stocks. We still have to do a little bit of touch up on the PPF, just trimming some edges and popping some bubbles before it goes in for a CeramicPro, I think a gold package on that one also. And this Ford F-150 is out here heating up after we installed some leather into this car. So this had gray cloth seats and now has gray leather seats. What we like to do is let it sit out in the sun, blast the heat a little bit. We need that material to sort of start to shrink down, get rid of a lot of those wrinkles as that happens. So guys, that's all that's going on at the shop today. If you enjoy these videos, if you like seeing what's going on behind the scenes, please give us a thumbs up, comment, subscribe to our channel. If you're watching this on Facebook, jump over to YouTube and give us a subscribe, and we'll see you next week.